Today, let's assemble a 3D puzzle. This is a pink castle. 2 puzzle boards. A piece of lawn. Assembling the walls. A flight of stairs. A cylindrical building. Forming a square shape. A section of the city wall. There's a tree by the city wall. An arched gate. There's also a room on the castle. This is its pink roof. Finally, attach the flower clusters and trees around the castle. The pink castle is completed.